Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the scene. Park, kill the engine, set hazards and the parking brake so nothing moves. Check everyone for injuries and call emergency responders if anyone is hurt because waiting risks worse damage. Once safe, document the car and surroundings with photos, capture VIN and plates, and note the other party's insurance. This evidence speeds repairs and claims. Now that you've stabilized safety and information, move to inspect structural and mechanical damage carefully. You now inspect the car for hidden problems. Check the frame, suspension, steering tie rods, and wheel alignment because these control safety. Look under for fluid leaks and verify radiator, hoses, belts, and brake lines. If coolant or brake fluid is lost, driving is unsafe. Test battery connections and lights. A loose terminal can explain electrical faults. Once done, prioritize fixes that restore drivability, list parts and estimated cost, and choose whether you can handle repairs or must go to a shop. You complete repairs starting with safety-critical items. Replace damaged hoses and belts, tighten bent bolts, patch minor leaks, and bleed the brake system to restore stopping power. Then, perform a controlled low-speed road test to confirm steering, brakes, and cooling operate. Make sure lights and signals work. If problems persist, check engine codes and sensors with an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner because electronic faults can mask mechanical issues. If you still see trouble, escalate to a qualified technician for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.